gotten a few comments like this, I love it, that some of the songs like Cus Cus Búlabus works really well in Gaelic, which is like the Scottish version of Irish. I think in Scotland they have a bunch of different native languages that they still speak. Gaelic is just one of them. They're really similar languages, Irish and Gaelic, and there's like lots of potential for cross fluency. I've actually previously written and recorded some bilingual music that's Irish and Gaelic with some Irish and Scottish musicians. It's like music for adults, not for kids, but you can find it on all the streaming platforms. 2 songs, one is called Maris Mian Lum and the other is called Lee Lum. We actually wrote and recorded 2 others that I love as well that never got released. But if you're listening to those tunes and you want to listen out for similarities in the language, like listen out for the word snaim in Maris Mian Lum, it means not, and it's really similar in Gaelic and Irish. Lee Lum is a pun, works in both Gaelic and Irish. Lee is to lie down, Leishius. Lum, if it's spelt Liom, means with me, so Lee Lum means lie down with me. But in the title we spelt it Lom, which means bare or naked. They're cool tunes, I like them. If you're interested in Gaelic and Irish and similarities, have a listen. Okay, bye.